Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this pool home for a client. Just had a recent price reduction. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 3550 Vega Drive. Super desirable area up by the equestrian center and close to open desert. This one just had a recent price reduction down to $699,900. No junk around, looks pretty good. Some nice landscaping in the front. You have a little side access. The wall is basically the property line. Tile roof, rolled eaves. Let's go on in and check it out. Nice little front courtyard. Big 8-foot iron entry gate. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home, 2,397 square feet. It sits on a big 12,110 square foot lot, built in 2003. This is a Bridgewater home, so this would be considered a custom build for them. It does have a dual master suites, and it also has a little bonus room that could be used as an office or whatever. Nice fireplace in the front. Nice little tile inlay work. Surround sound, vaulted ceilings. Again, this one just had a price reduction down to $699,900. Slider out to the backyard pool area. Granite top, sit at or eat at bar top with some inlay tile as well. Granite backsplash, pot shelves, can lights, stainless appliances, little pantry. Has a reverse osmosis at the sink and a nice shot of the backyard pool area from the kitchen window. So this does a little Jack and Jill around. Got a couple little nooks here. So you have your master, indoor laundry, and garage access on one side. So this is one of the master suites. Has double glass French doors out to the backyard pool area, vaulted ceilings in here as well. There's also speakers in the ceiling. So you have a master bath. Has dual sinks, solid surface counters, jetted tub. Toilet has its own door, and it's like a marble or synthetic stone walk-in shower. You also have a real big master walk-in closet. Right before you get to the master, you have this little bonus room. You could use it as a bedroom. It's not super big, but it doesn't have a closet or a window. There is a skylight. Make a nice little office. All right, back on the other side of the house, you have another master, junior master type suite. Double glass slider doors. So here's your junior master bath. There's also a door out to the backyard pool area, so this would be a cool pool bathroom. Also has a walk-in shower. So back down the hall, you have your guest bath, which is a pretty good size, bigger than normal. Solid surface tops. Another walk-in shower with the same marble. And at the end of the hall, at the front of the house, you have a guest bedroom. There's a little flip-up seating area for pillows. So back over off the kitchen, you have your indoor laundry, which is a gigantic space. You could turn this into like a quilt room or a little work area or something. I'm assuming it used to be part of the back of the garage because you have your water heater, RO, and soft water back here. So you have a skylight in here and a couple ceiling fans. It's also ducted. I don't know if they built it this way or not, but here is the garage door access. So you have a pretty good 3-car garage. It's 29 feet deep with 8-foot insulated doors. All finished out. You have a little bit of a kick out right here. So you have a real nice backyard pool setup. You have a little bar window there. You got lots of bars around the pillars, ceiling fans, full length covered patio. There's a mount for a TV, can lights. Has a little beach entry setup. Pop-up cleaners, little sit-at sunken bar. Pool looks pretty decent. I don't see any popping or chipping of the plaster. A couple dead palm trees from the summer. So again, it has a full-length covered patio, which is pretty cool. This would have been a additional setup for sure. There's speakers out here as well. And then you have these little sit-at tiled bars, which is pretty cool. You have a couple steps up to a waterfall and spa. Here's your gated side access. Looks like it had misters or foggers in the ground at one point. I'm not sure if they're still working. It's also like Malibu lights. Pretty cool little setup. Put a drain in, which is a good idea. Some nice tile work and swim up bar. Here's the other side of the house. You have some stucco erosion, which is pretty typical. And your pool equipment. Looks like it used to have a saltwater membrane that they have since removed, which is also pretty typical. I don't see any mister pumps, so I doubt the misters are hooked up anymore. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Vega. Again, this one was just reduced recently down to $699.9. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.